Hi, I'm Roy Roth from Roth to Vet Experience Design. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our exhibition, SoundScapes. SoundScapes is an event in which a robotic orchestra is situated in an ancient citadel here in the Tower of David in Jerusalem.
My name is Yael Tevet. In our studio we focus on creating multisensory experiences such as this exhibition here.
This exhibition was for me something unusual in Israel.
I thought it was a thrilling experience, and I found it to be impressive.
You go inside and you feel like nothing had happened, and then you start like Alice in Wonderland, I felt.
We worked on this for about 9 months. We had a crew of 20 people. We chose local instruments such as the bells, which can be heard from all the churches around, and the harp, which is related to King David, and the drums, which are from the Arab rhythm.
The challenge in SoundScapes was to work within these ancient surroundings, these very holy and heavy surroundings, and to complete it with an installation that will work within it.
It was almost like alive, some sort of animal that the exhibition itself sort of read the music.
We worked with the composer David Fire, chose to use the computer as a tool of composition. Walking through the installation, the music that you hear is actually created by an algorithm.
If you want to create another exhibition like this about music, it will be different, totally different, because it's come together. The building, the history, the environment, the music.
I was looking at them, and from the back, it's like this crazy sound started playing. It's like this, and it was echoing all over. It gave me like goosebumps all over. I really didn't expect it.
This project is very exciting to us because we feel that there are a lot more locations that we can explore and see how people can interact with the music and with the space. And this is actually our vision, to explore this aspect of sound and space.